This is the Ausek AT Q60TR 4K action camera. Now I will show you how to set up this action camera. First, insert an SD card into the camera. Hold the mode button for 3 to 4 seconds, then the camera will turn on. Choose your language. Set the date and time now. Camera settings are now complete. If you press the mode button, the camera mode will change. If it is photo mode, pressing the OK button will take a photo. Pressing this side up button will zoom the camera. Pressing this side down button will zoom out the camera. You can change the image resolution in the settings. This camera has 4 types of photo modes. If it is in video mode, pressing the OK button will start video recording. Pressing the OK button will stop recording. You can change the video resolution in the settings. You can also turn on Wi-Fi, turn on LED indicator, change language, date and time in settings. You can also factory reset the camera from here. This way you can set this camera as you wish.